Lesson 4. Let's learn Paint 3D. 3D painting is when you paint a texture straight onto a 3D model. This is a similar process to 2D painting but requires knowledge of texturing and working with Paint 3D tools. Children will be able to know the difference between 2D and 3D shapes, identify various components of 3D paint window, learn how to draw 2D and 3D objects, save the drawings. Neha: Hi Tia, do you know about Paint 3D? Tia: Hi Neha, I have heard of it, but I'm not sure what it is. Neha: Well, it's a computer program that's a bit like painting, but it's on the computer. You can use it to make 3D pictures. Tia: That sounds interesting. Can I draw animals and flowers with it? Neha: Absolutely. You can draw all sorts of things like animals, flowers, or anything you like, and you can make them look 3D, like they're popping out of the screen. Tia: Thanks, Neha. I can't wait to start using Paint 3D and create my 3D art. Neha: You're welcome, Tia. We will be having a great time exploring and being creative with Paint 3D. Paint 3D. Paint 3D is a program that comes with Microsoft Windows. It is an advanced version of Paint. It comes with a few new tools and features. This helps to create 2D as well as 3D drawings and images. Starting Paint 3D. Follow the given below steps to open Paint 3D. 1. Start your computer. 2. Type Paint 3D in the search box. A list of programs open. 3. Select Paint 3D option. 4. When Paint 3D opens, click on New. 5. The Paint 3D application will open with a blank canvas in the center as shown below. Drawing area, title bar, 3D shapes tool, toolbar, toggle tool, color palette, menu tool, brushes tool. Title bar. It shows the name of the programs and name of the drawing. Toolbar. It contains various tools such as menu tool. It contains commands such as new, open, insert, etc. Text tool. It is used to add caption to the shape. 3D library tool. It contains 3D drawings. Stickers tool. It contains various stickers to add to the drawing. 2D shapes. It contains various 2D shapes. 3D shapes. It contains various 3D shapes. Brush tool. It contains 10 types of brushes. Effects. It contains various effects to add to the drawing. Toggle tool. It is used to toggle the tool name. Selection tool. It is used to select the drawing. Drawing area or canvas. The white area of the window where you can draw shapes. Creating 2D and 3D shapes. 1. To draw 2D shapes, select the shapes and then click on the surface you wish to draw on. Your shape will appear and you can resize it as you want. 2. Brushes can be used to paint on both 2D and 3D surfaces. Use the free rotation handle to turn your 3D object while you paint. Library of 3D design. Freehand 3D object. Basic 3D shapes. Set 3D models. 3. 3D shapes contain basic 3D models and objects as well as doodle tools and a small selection of 3D objects. 4. Click on Make 3D to convert a 2D image to 3D. After being converted to 3D, it will still be flat and not on canvas. Selecting shape and filling color. To draw a shape, follow the given below steps. 1. Select the 2D shape and then click on the surface you wish to draw on. 2. Your shape will appear and you can resize it as you want. Shapes drawn on 3D objects will mold themselves to the curves of the object. 3. You can make changes in color in the controls on the right. Resize and rotate image. An image or a shape, when clicked, shows an outlined rectangle. This can be used to select, resize, or rotate the image. Adding text. The text tool allows you to add either 2D or 3D text. 3D text can be moved and turned like any other 3D object. 2D text can be rotated and moved before it is permanently placed by clicking it off. Saving the drawing as 2D. Follow the given below steps to save the drawing as 2D. 1. Click on Menu. 2. Select the Save As option to save your drawing. 3. Click on Image to save your drawing as a 2D image. Tech Corner. To see various formats, click on PNG to open a drop-down of format choices. Saving the drawing as 3D. To save a 3D model, be sure the canvas is off or it will become part of the model. Follow the given below steps to save the drawing as 3D. 1. Click on Menu. 2. Choose Save As and choose 3D Model. 3. Name your file and choose a save location. 4. Then click on Save. Your model will be saved as a GLB file which can be imported into Microsoft Office products. Opening a saved drawing and close Paint 3D. To open a saved drawing, go to the Welcome screen and click on the Open button. A dialog box will open. Go to the path of your saved image, select it, and click on Open. 1. Go to the Welcome screen. 2. Click on the Open button. A dialog box will open. 3. Go to the path of your saved image, select it, and click on Open. To close the Paint 3D, simply go to the File and then Exit. Flashback. Brushes can be used to paint on both 2D and 3D surfaces. You can convert any 2D shape to 3D by clicking on Make 3D. Canvas is used to draw shapes into Paint 3D. The Text tool allows you to add either 2D or 3D text. Toolbar contains various tools to draw and color shapes.